Hey guys, today we'll turn to post GIFs on the Threads applications. If you guys would like to go ahead and post some of those GIFs over on the Threads app, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so this is gonna be pretty easy. All we need to do first is to go ahead and manually download the GIFs from whatever source you would like to download that GIF. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and download a GIF on the web just by easily searching for best meme GIF. And let's see what that is gonna show me by going over onto the images. And so let's see if we do have a GIF on here, ready to download anything. I want to go ahead and download this GIF right here. So let us go ahead and download this by simply going ahead and hopping over to this website. And I think I'm gonna go and download a completely different GIF. And let's say we want to go ahead and download this GIF right here. So let's go ahead and try to save this on our device and see if it is actually downloaded as a GIF. So in this case, I want to go ahead and download this as a GIF, as I said. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if this is actually GIF. In this case, it is actually a GIF. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop onto the Instagram Threads application and go ahead and create a new thread. So just tap on this option in the middle screen and then tap on the gallery options. Or you could also choose this option onto the GIF to completely post a GIF from the Threads application. So you actually have two options: to download a GIF on the web and then uploading it via your gallery app like this, or going over onto the GIF section and then searching for a GIF and directly uploading that GIF from the GIFs that is already posted on the Threads app. So I'm gonna go and do that right now. And I'm gonna show you that for this example, we do have the same GIF right here. All we need to do is just tap on that post it. And that's how you guys could quickly post a GIF on the Threads application. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.